Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I did a video, I actually filmed this a few days ago, but I totally forgot to film the intro, so I was just editing it there and realised I hadn't actually put an intro in, so here's what I'm doing now. So obviously I'm going shopping at the range and I thought I would do a video because I haven't done one at the range yet, and I really love that shop. It's really bargain prices for really good quality stuff. So basically I just thought I would take you along with me. It was a last minute trip, which is why I didn't do an intro, but yeah. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So I'm going to go and I'm going to let you enjoy this video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me.
Oh, I absolutely love these. Jonathan, I actually really like these.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, I don't like that. I like them. How pretty are they?
You can stroke it.
Oh my god. I really like them. Where can I put them? I don't know how much they are though. They don't have a price. No, I really like these. They're $5.99.
Yeah, we're getting them.
Where would you put them?
In the house.
Oh my god, they're really heavy.
That's good. $5.99.
Oh my god, they're really heavy. I really like them. They're $5.99. You've got this little one here. These are really nice. Look how pretty this is. It's a bit like a Christmas tree. £20. I really like that. These are really, really pretty. I don't know how much they are. I think they're £2. I don't know if that's that one. No. I think it's $2.59. I like these. Pretty. These ones. These are nice. I like these.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that one next, $12.99.
Yeah,
For them, they're really nice. Yeah, they're to go in like vases and stuff. Do you know what? I really like this vase.
Just leave it on the side.
No.
No, seriously, I know you think I'm an idiot.
No, look, $7.99. It's really, really tall.
Yeah, no, they're that.
Oh, these are really nice. 34.
24.
30, no, they're not. They're $34.99. No.
Large silver arm candle.
Oh, they're really pretty. But where would you put that though?
Candle. Yeah, different. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the bigger one. Oh, they're different. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's nicer though.
That one's $24.99, and that one's $34.99. It's really, really pretty. I don't know where you'd put that though.
No, I like this plate.
Yeah, no, I just see them plates over there. Really different. That's really pretty for Mother's Day. Like that. It's $5.99. All pretty stuff for Mother's Day. Love all of this. I like these. Oh my god, look how pretty they are.
Staff of lighting to the balcony over till 5, thank you.
Oh, look how pretty that is. $17.99. Oh, this is really pretty. You've got pink crystal knobs, which are really, really nice for a girl's little room. This is really, really cute. I think that's so cute. I don't know how much it is though. And that's also really nice. Got lots and lots of flowers in here. They have so many flowers in the range. It's ridiculous. This is really big. You can't even see how big it is on the camera. This would be really nice for like a boy's bedroom if you're doing a safari theme.
Staff nurse, when can I enable supervisor manager to customer services? Thank you.
$14.99. Oh, these are really nice. to put on your wall. It's a wall thing. £12.99. Very different. Oh, I like this. £17.99. Really nice. I feel like everyone needs this at the moment. You know, hashtag coronavirus. Just saying. Oh, that's really, really nice. Not too much into skulls, but I do like that. It's pretty. And that is £39.99. It's really, really pretty. This mirror is really, really nice, and it's only £42.99. But then you've got this, which is like mirrored behind it, and then obviously that resin type thing. Really, really nice. £39.99. This would be a statement piece. I absolutely love that. The normal ones that are smaller, and they're £22.99. But I just think they're such a statement piece. Really like them. Really like these cloud shelves for a boys or a children's bedroom, nursery. £9.99. Really nice. This is really pretty for a girl's bedroom. Oh, I love this. A little llama peg. Oh, that's broke. £2.49. It's a little to-do plaque. I like that. I'm sure Harrison would really love this. I don't. That's really pretty for a nursery. £4.99. Not bad. And I like this one up here as well. And I think they're on Instagram, this people, because it's got a little thing there. And this is really nice for a little girl's nursery bedroom. And look at that, that's cute. Lots of mirrors, as always, in the rain. That one there. It's only £54.99, not bad. And them long ones there I really like. I actually like the idea of those for in my bedroom. And then this one here, which is really nice. And look at that one. That is nice. £149.99. It's really nice though. Oh, and look, hang on. Look at these. £6.99 for these. They're just really, really nice. Just to put anywhere really. In a hallway or something. I really like these cushions. They're feather as well, and they've got like a little beading around it. And they're just really nice. I don't know how much they are. It's so nice. Just found these randomly in this aisle, which is all like this. And I really like them for a wall in my house. I don't know how many I would need, but they are so nice. I don't know how much they are. I don't know if they're in the sale or if they're new. I'll have to have a look. I really like these like royals. They look so nice. I think I might have to get some when I get curtains. I've also got them in pink. And they've got quite a few different ones, to be fair. These cushions are really nice. I don't know how much they are. There don't seem to be many prices on these today. And they've also got them ones I liked in silver. Oh no, they're different. I like them. These are really nice lamps for a bedroom. They've got the marble bottom. How pretty are they? And they are £12.99. I really love the lamps in here. They have really good ones for quite cheap, £34.99. And look how big they are. I like those. That's really, really nice. Look at these as well, and they're only £42.99, and they are massive.
I like these.
I don't like them. They're really old-fashioned, babe.
They go on the wall.
Yeah, they're
Do they
old-fashioned.
look like new, like old but new? I mean, old school but with a new twang to it.
Yeah, I don't like them.
What do you like?
What about that? Look at that. For the light.
I
These are
think
really
that-
nice as well. Oh my god, these ones are down to £19.99.
Well, we need two.
I like them.
We need two.
What for?
The living room.
Where though? Where are we putting them?
We need two chandeliers.
Oh no, I'm talking about that. Every time I see this, I really, really love it, but it just wouldn't go with my design. £32.99. These are really, really big, right? and they're only $34.99. Nice. These are also really nice lamps, and they're only $14.99. So if you've got like a white theme going on, really nice. This is really, really pretty as well for a nice girl's bedroom, or even in a hallway. And it's got a little bit of light and flowers, and that's $19.99. I just think it's really, really nice. It's like them foam material. I can't, my camera's not focusing, but it's beautiful. Really like this basket. Again, I don't know how much it is, but it's really, really nice. Put your toilet rolls in that.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if it's up.
Famous Mrs. Hinch eggs box. It's not the exact same one, she got hers from eBay, but they do it in here as well. And this isn't the actual price, I don't know how much it is, but yeah, if you need an egg box, come to the range.